Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to set up call forwarding on your iPhone 17. This feature is super useful when you're busy, traveling, or using a second number and want all your calls forwarded automatically. So let's get started. On your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down a little and tap on Apps option. Next, find and tap on the Phone option. Inside the phone settings, find the option that says Call Forwarding. If you don't see it, that usually means your carrier doesn't support this feature, so check with them first. Now go ahead and tap on Call Forwarding. Now toggle the call forwarding switch to on. As soon as you do that, a new option will appear called Forward to. Tap on Forward to and enter the phone number where you want all your incoming calls to be forwarded. Once you are done, tap the back button to save it. Your iPhone will now start sending all calls to that number automatically. If you want to disable call forwarding, just come back to this screen and toggle call forwarding switch off. It's that simple. Alright guys, that's how you can easily set up call forwarding on your iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and turn on notifications for iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.